Hi, my name is Vandana. Today I am making my first video on Java tutorial. So what is Java? Java is a programming language and it is a platform, and Java is a secure language. It is high level and it is object oriented based programming language. So what is the meaning of object oriented? Object oriented is a methodology which based on the concept of objects. In 1995, Java was developed by a small team of Sun engineers such as James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton. And the first Java language project is initiated in 1991. The meaning of high-level language is that it is a programming language which is designed to simplify computer programming language. It is high level because several steps is reduced from the actual code to simplify the language. Java is secure because it is well known for the security, and by using Java we can develop the virus free system. So in Java there is no support for the explicit pointer, so Java is secure, and Java program run inside the virtual machine, and it provides the security manager, and bytecode verifier check the code segment, so it also provide the security. So this because of all this, Java is a secure programming language. The simple meaning of robust is strong. So Java is strong because of strong memory management, and there is no concept of explicit pointer, so it avoids the security problems. And in Java there is garbage collection which collect the object when there is no need for that objects. So all these concepts make the Java as strong. So why Java? Java is because it support the OOPS concept. Documentation support is there. It is easy to develop, and there are so many ideas to develop the Java, and this provide the tools for the development, and it is platform independent, easy to use, and user friendly. OOPS is a object-oriented programming. It is a methodology which simplify the software development and maintenance by providing some concept and rules. So basically OOPS concepts are object, classes, inheritance, polymorphisms, and abstraction and encapsulation. Java has excellent documentation support. It has the Java doc, which consists the documentation about the Java APIs. Java is open source and freely available, so without any cost you can learn the Java and create the Java project. It provides the IDE just like Eclipse, NetBeans, etc. to develop the Java project, and some tools for running the applications also. Due to bytecode, Java is platform independent because it is different from other language, and if you write Java program once, you can run that program anywhere in any platform just like Windows, Linux, and Solaris, etc. Java is easy to learn and user friendly. The history of Java is very interesting. A small team of Sun engineers, just like James Gosling, Mike Sheridan, and Patrick Naughton, first initiated the Java language project in June 1991. Initially, it was called as the Green Talk by the James Gosling, and the extension was .gt, and after that it renamed as awk because the meaning of awk is a symbol of stress, and it is also used by many countries as a national tree just like USA, France, Germany, etc. So in 1995 awk also renamed as a Java because it was already trademarked by the awk technology. The Java name is because it is easy to spell, fun to say, and unique and dynamic. So that is why they given the Java name as final. So at last, what are the uses of Java? So nowadays Java is very popular because we can use the Java for the mobile application development, for desktop and GUI based application development, for web based application, for development of enterprise application, and for distributed application, moreover cloud application, gaming application we can also develop by the Java. And it is little bit complex, but we can also develop the scientific application by using the Java. At last, if you have any query, please get back to me. I give the answer of that query also. Thank you so much.